knowingly, unknowingly, directly or indirectly, constantly, please listen, constantly, the society pokes at you, ignorance is harassing you. Every response you give it to the happenings of life to you, every response you do to the bits and pieces of life happening to you, every cognition you do is with the interpretation of the social ignorance. Please understand. For example, when somebody harasses you, attacks you, whether you hit him back, attack him back, or keep quiet, both are from social ignorance. You don't keep quiet for right reason. You don't keep quiet with the right cognition. You don't attack for the right reason. Whether you attack or keep quiet, both, as long as they are from powerlessness, the social ignorance, you will continue to suffer. Please understand. Responding, cognizing based on social ignorance, and responding based on the ignorance imposed on you is what I call Maya. Please understand. Swami Vivekananda beautifully describes Yama iti Maya, which is not there but constantly harasses you as if it is there, is Maya. Ramakrishna quotes his guru Nangta Totaburi, Mahant of Mahanirvani Akada. He quotes, Nangta used to say, Nangta is the twisted word for Naga. Totaburi used to say, the source, life, cosmos, consciousness does not allow itself to be experienced as it is, so it always wears the veil of Maya, burqa of Maya. So listen, whether you attack back or keep quiet or make somebody else attack, whatever, as long as the cognition is from social ignorance and the response is based on the social ignorance imposed on you, please be very clear, you are in Maya. Maya, delusion, Maya, illusion. It is so unfortunate. Invariably, whether you are a beggar in the street or ruler of a country, your cognition is from social ignorance. Your response is from social ignorance. Please listen. If you beat your kids for some reason, when they start crying, just to pacify them, you give them candy. That is exactly the way society treats you. It slaps you and takes away your original knowledge of you, your original state from you. When you start crying, it gives you little money and one car, one house, and a post, president, or head of a country, or head of the society, award. And then, just like how the kids, they put the 5-star in the mouth and say, oh, my mom is great, my dad is great. Fool, you forgot the original state taken away from you. Reducing your taste to a cheaper level is the work of ignorance. Please understand. Lowering your taste is ignorance. If I have to define Maya or ignorance, I'll define it in this one way. lowering your taste. You are supposed to be drinking the amrita and be in the samadhi. Instead, you drink alcohol and be in the ditch where the pigs lick your feet. I told very decently. Lowering the taste is ignorance. Reclaiming your original taste for life is sannyas. Please understand. Reclaiming your original taste for life is sannyas. Ramakrishna used to say, because you cannot drink Ganga water, don't drink the drainage water. Even if you die traveling towards Ganga, to drink Ganga water, it is great, but don't drink drainage water and be alive. Sannyas is aligning your thinking to the ultimate possibility, aligning your thinking to the ultimate reality, aligning your thinking to integrity and authenticity, awakening all the different powers in you is sannyas. Awakening all the various powers in you, awakening all the various possibilities in you, awakening all the various understandings in you, awakening all the various realizations in you, awakening all the various goals in you. Please listen. Awakening you to you is sannyas. Awakening you to you is sannyas. Sannyas is dispelling the darkness in your being in every possible way, raising your taste for life not as per the society standard, as per the real reality. You are supposed to be drunk nectar and be in samadhi. Instead, you drink cheap alcohols, be in the ditch. Anything you drink other than the nectar, your taste has been lowered. So please listen. Cognition, the right angle, cognizing life from reality is sannyas. I was very recently reading an article. One of a official who quit the job in IMF, she has given an open interview where she explains step by step how a few family exploits the whole world with a myth called money. She beautifully defines how money is a hoax, the concept which is being exploited to keep poor as poor, rich more richer. Please understand, let us allow the money into our life only for utility value. I am not saying don't have money, you need to have food. So just for your functioning, just to keep your life current, have currency. Don't live more than that for currency. Let the currency be in your life to keep you current, alive. Do not allow currency to have a bigger place in your life than this. If you know what you want to do in your life is, what you want to do in your life can be handled with the money you have, enough. Don't dedicate your life to currency and worship the IMF, guys. Understand? Krishna says very clearly, whoever you worship, you will reach them after your death. Why do you want to go at the feet of IMF heads after your death? No, if you are working for your whole life for them, if you dedicate your whole life in the Wall Street or the Mumbai Stock Exchange, your whole life is all about money, 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 then you are worshipping only IMF fellows. After your death, you will only reach Kumbhi Bhagam. Hell. You will reach the feet of the IMF chief. Do not be exploited. Listen. Do not be exploited by ignorant. ignorant people of society decide the right life, right intelligence, right energy. People always ask me, what do you mean by the word right intelligence, right energy, right action? We want to know. Be powerful always. Never be powerless inside you. Be complete always inside you. Never be incomplete inside you. That is what I call being right. Right thinking, right action, right intelligence, right response. I tell you, just yesterday, Kerala DGP, the jail department DGP has announced 40% of the prisoners who are convicted in Kerala jails, he says, are all innocent. And I agree with him completely. I am not commenting on our judiciary, but all I am trying to say, the police has no ethics. They cook up evidence beyond the scope of the court's doubt. They cook up evidence so perfectly. Court has no other way to convict. Beyond the court's doubting ability, I tell you, and the way rich guys and politicians and the media pressure exploits police. We all talk about money exploiting police or money using police. We forget to look media pressurizing police. For media pressure, just to keep their name or the pride, the amount of abusive things police does, please listen. Whatever you believe as right or wrong is just the fake informations constantly repeated to you, made to believe. So decide to evolve. As I said yesterday, revolution is not going to be the way. That is not going to solve your problem. Evolution only is going to solve your problem. Decide to evolve. Your decision to evolve, your declaration, I am evolving, I am liberating myself from all the delusions and illusions, is sannyas. Your declaration, your decision to evolve. आज मैं संन्यास के बारे में बात करना जारी रखूंगा, जाने या अनजाने में, सीधे रूप से या फिर घूम फिर कर समाज आपको शोषित करता है। जो भी प्रतिक्रिया आप जीवन को देते हैं, हर बोध जो आप लेते हैं, वो सामाजिक अज्ञान पर आधारित है। जब कोई आप पर आक्रमण करता है, आप चाहे उस पर फिर आक्रमण करे या चुप बैठे, वो सही कारण द्वारा नहीं बल्कि सामाजिक अज्ञान के कारण करते हैं। यही माया है जो वास्तव में उपस्थित नहीं है, किंतु आपको उपस्थित होने का लगातार आभास देकर आपको परेशानी देता है। रामकृष्ण कहते हैं, जीवन चेतना ब्रह्मांड स्वयं का अनुभव नहीं करने देते हैं, बल्कि माया का पर्दा डाले हुए है। आप अमृत पीने और समाधि में रहने के लिए बनाए गए हैं, किंतु आप माया में फंसकर अपनी स्थिति को निम्न स्तर में रखते हैं। जीवन के वास्तविक स्वाद का आस्वादन करना ही संन्यास है। आपकी सोच को अपने उच्चतम संभावना से संरेखित करना, अपनी सोच को संपूर्ति और श्रद्धा से संरेखित करना, स्वयं की सभी शक्तियों, संभावनाओं, बोध समझ को जागृत करना ही संन्यास है। स्वयं को जीवन की वास्तविक स्वाद की प्रति जागृत करना ही संन्यास है। संन्यास आपके अस्तित्व में अज्ञान को हर रूप से दूर करना ही संन्यास है। सही बोध, जीवन के वास्तविक रूप का बोध करना ही संन्यास है। धन को अपने जीवन में उपयोग के लिए ही रखिए, ना कि उसे आपके जीवन का स्वामी बनने दीजिए। अपना जीवन धन को समर्पित ना कीजिए, क्योंकि ये धन की संस्था समाज के कुछ लोगों द्वारा पूरे विश्व को अपनी पकड़ में रखने के लिए बनाई गई है। अपने भीतर कभी शक्तिहीन रहिए, प्रत्येक क्षण शक्तिशाली रहिए। यही जीवन में सही समझ और बोध है। अपने भीतर कभी शक्तिहीन ना रहिए, प्रत्येक क्षण शक्तिशाली रहिए। Understand? Listen. I can tell you hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of ways how your very cognition is corrupted by the so-called society, and it is not that they do it knowingly. Even they do not know. What your parents thought is the ultimate, they taught you that. What your society taught as ultimate, they taught you that. It's not that they are wrong. That is what is the syllabus. Even if the teacher knows more than the syllabus, she or he cannot teach other than the syllabus in the school. Infrastructure demands your teacher to teach only the syllabus to you. It is not Gurukul. The ultimate can be taught as it is. जो भी आप सही या गलत समझते हैं वो सामाजिक अज्ञान से जन्म हुआ है। आपकी घोषणा, आपका निर्णय कि मैं इस माया से बाहर आ रहा हूं और स्वयं का विकास करूंगा, यही संन्यास है। यही संन्यास है। लिसन, डिसाइड boldly, courageously to say no to the ignorant interventions of society in your consciousness. Tell the society, you may give me food, I'll work for you. You may give me my basic needs, I will also enrich you, contribute to you. But don't enter into my Garbha Mandir, the Garbhagraha, consciousness. Don't enter into my Garbhagraha, let it remain as pure, declaring, I will not allow the social ignorance, the society's ignorance into my Garbhagraha, the innermost consciousness is sannyas. Let us take the responsibility to enrich the world through sannyas. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/life